In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use forms in OpenOffice Base. If you're looking to efficiently view and manage your data, creating a form can simplify the process and enhance how you interact with your database. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a refresher, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring a clear understanding. First, let's kick things off by starting OpenOffice Base. Begin by opening your .odb database file. If you don't have an existing database, don't worry, you can create a new one following the prompts. It's important to ensure that your database contains at least one table with data. This is crucial because the forms you create will be built from these tables or queries. Once you've confirmed that you have necessary tables in place, let's proceed to the Forms section. Take your attention to the database pane situated on the left side of your screen and click on Forms. Over on the right, you'll notice several options appear, like Create Form in Design View, and Use Wizard to create form. For those new to OpenOffice Base, I recommend selecting Use Wizard to create form. This tool is incredibly user-friendly and will guide you intuitively through the process. After selecting the form creation method, the wizard will prompt you to choose between tables or queries. Select the table containing the data you wish to work with. You will be presented with all the available fields, which essentially are the columns in your table. Here, move the fields you want to appear in your form over to the Selected Fields box. For instance, you might include fields such as ID, first name, last name, and email depending on what you need. With the fields selected, it's time to enhance your form by setting up a subform, adding subform fields, arranging controls, setting data entry properties, applying styles, and giving your form a meaningful name. This step is all about customization, ensuring the form is tailored to your needs. Don't worry if this seems complex. The wizard offers clear instructions and options that are straightforward to follow. Once you're satisfied with your configuration, it's time to finish up. Give your form a suitable name like Customer Viewer or something that aligns with its function. Then click on Finish. Your form will open automatically. Now you can comfortably browse through your records using the navigation buttons located at the bottom. First, Previous, Next, and Last. Creating a form is a fantastic way to maximize your database's utility and improve your workflow in OpenOffice Base. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering database management with ease. Happy databasing, and see you in the next video.